Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to join the official Strongest Battleguard server on Discord. By joining the Discord server, we can connect with other players, get updates, and stay informed about the game. We will walk you through the process step by step. Now, let's get started. On your browser, if you already have Discord open and want to find a server, just click the plus sign to open a new tab. From here, we will search for the server. For example, if you want a Roblox server, just type Roblox into the search bar. You will see a list of servers appear. We will go ahead and start that search now. You will be able to see many servers listed. Just choose the one that fits you best. We can check the member count to help decide. The server with the most members is usually the most active and popular. So we want to pick the server with the highest number of members. Go ahead and choose the one you prefer. Just click on it to open it. Once you click, you will be taken to the server page. All we need to do now is accept the invite. Wait a moment for it to load. And there it is. The server is now open. We are now officially inside the server. We can take a quick look at the announcements. To get full access, just click the Verify button to complete verification. If verification requires an extra step, just follow the link provided. Once we open the link inside Discord, we will need to authorize it so we can fully join the server. And just like that, we are now verified. Next, log into your Roblox account to complete the setup. We are now fully verified and ready to go. We have successfully joined the Strongest Battlegrounds server. Now we can chat with other players, get updates, and be an active part of the community.